Hey, what's going on, peoples? Just wanted to make a quick video about my experience with the car seats that I got from Bedding In, as far as like the quality, the fit, installation, all that type of stuff. There's a link below this video. If you click it, it'll take you to Bedding In's website. If you just scroll over to the top here and go to car accessories, you'll be able to go to the seats. So, excuse me. I do a lot of traveling. Like a lot of long road trips. I've driven all the way to California from the East Coast and back, and down south and all that type of stuff. I've spent a lot of time on the road. In doing so, I've done a lot of wear and tear on my seat, specifically on my side. Like right here in this part here, the bar is now exposed because I've like worn through that thing. And I tried to put padding up and all that stuff, and same results. It just ends up wearing down. And I do Uber Eats, so I'm in and out the car a lot. So I tried to get like car seats from, not car seats, but covers, from AutoZone one time. Very, very poor quality. Don't fit well. And I meant to get my money back, but I had already hit the road and all that type of stuff. So I never returned them. I just ended up throwing them away. But I decided to look into getting just a better quality. Like I had invested in lumbar support. I had like 2 memory foam cushions just to try to make my ride more comfortable. So I figured I'd go ahead and just invest money into this since I was spending so much time in the car and it was becoming taxing on my body. So I feel like, I'm sorry if I'm rambling on. But I ended up basically ordering these car seat covers. I consider them car seats because that's what they look like. Like when you put them on, they don't look like car seat covers. And I think that's what's most impressive about them. Like the quality of the material is not flimsy. It's not thin. It's very thick and it feels like real leather. I don't believe that it is real leather, but it feels like quality leather. And I think that made the investment worthwhile is the fact that it actually makes my car, overall, it makes my car look like a much more luxurious vehicle. Like from the outside and when you're sitting on the inside, it just changed the entire feeling of the inside of the car. And even like I said, when you're looking at it from the outside, it makes the car look newer and it makes the car look more luxurious, which is not something that I was anticipating. I just wanted durable car seats, so that I wouldn't continue to wear and tear the seats the way that they were going, because I don't intend on traveling less. But the extra benefit that I got was the look of the car now. And I get complimented on that all the time. Because people think that I like either customize my seats, or because it's not the seats that come with the car, or they think that I got like the higher version, the more expensive version. I'm not a car guy, so I don't know about any of that type of stuff. You know what I mean? This is stuff that people told me. But yeah, so to me, it was worth the investment. The only thing that I would say is a drawback was the amount of time it took to actually put the covers on the seats, which isn't really a drawback because it's that difficult because they fit that well. Like they fit like a glove. Like they don't look like car seat covers. They look like car seats. Like they came with the car, or that you had them customized or installed as whole seats. So I think that the time that I invested in putting them on was worth it. And I think that the price was also worth it as well. But they have like these corners, the way the corners are made, it makes it, I think that's what makes it so, that makes them fit so well. And they have like these beads underneath of the material that keeps the covers themselves from shifting back and forth when you get in and out the car. And if anything, they actually begin to mold to the seats the more and more that you have them. It's like they become snugger and snugger. So, like I said, it took me a few hours to put them on, but it was worth it to me because of how they look. Like they just changed the cabin or the inside of the car. They changed the look of it so much. So yeah, it was just worth the investment. And that's not something I was anticipating, but now I got the look, the luxury, as well as the quality of the material. So I don't have to worry about wear and tearing my car anymore. So yeah, that's what I think about them. That's my experience with it. So if I was you, I would get them. I think it was worth it. So yeah, there's a link below this video. If you click that link, it'll take you to the Bedding In website. Like I said, you could just scroll over to car accessories and you'll be able to look, if that's what you were looking for, was the car accessories. I'm sure everything else in their site is just as good quality, but this is the only thing that I have an experience with, so I can't speak on anything else. But yeah, but that's everything that I wanted to say. I didn't want to make this video too long. So thank you guys for watching. Again, you can click the link below this video to take you to the page here, and you'll be able to, well, you'll be able to look at the rest of the car seats and stuff that they have, or car seat covers that they have as well. All right. Thank you folks for watching. Have a good one.